Forget everything you thought you knew about sensible German saloons. Throw out those images of beige interiors and drivers wearing hats. The Audi RS3 has arrived, and it's here to cause a ruckus. This isn't your average A3 with a sporty bumper. It's a full-blown, fire-breathing monster hiding in plain sight. Audi has taken everything we love about hot hatches and cranked it up to 11. This car is loud, it's fast, and it's guaranteed to turn heads. Are you ready to unleash your inner hooligan? Good, let's dive in. Let's get one thing straight. The RS3 is a looker. Sharp lines, aggressive angles, and enough presence to make a bull elephant nervous. This car isn't just driving, it's making a statement. A wider, meaner-looking grille that screams, "Get out of my way." Headlights like the eyes of a predator, and the rear, equally impressive. Step inside the RS3, and a luxurious and sporty interior will greet you. It's like stepping into a private jet that also happens to be incredibly quick. You've got supple leather, Alcantara accents, and more technology than a NASA control room. But don't let the comfort fool you. This cabin is built for business. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels fantastic in your hands, and those optional RS bucket seats will keep you planted even when you're throwing this car into corners like a maniac. And speaking of technology, the RS3 is packed with it. You've got a digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display everything from your speed to your favorite lap times. And of course, there's a touchscreen infotainment system with all the bells and whistles you could ever need. Listen up, that's the sound of 400 horses. Under the hood of the RS3 lies a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder turbocharged engine. This little hatchback packs the same punch as some supercars. What truly sets the RS3 apart is the way it sounds. This engine sings a glorious 5-cylinder symphony. Floor the throttle and you'll be rewarded with a guttural roar. Grip like a vice cornering that'll make you giggle. The RS3 devours corners like a hungry wolf. Thanks to Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS3 feels glued to the road. It's not just about speed, it's about fun. You'll find yourself giggling as you push it to its limits. A symphony of scents, this car even smells fast. Now, I know what you're thinking. Shehan, are you seriously talking about the smell of a car? And the answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. Because in the world of high-performance automobiles, every detail matters. And that includes the way it smells. Step inside the RS3, and you'll be greeted by a subtle, yet intoxicating aroma. It's a blend of fine leather, Alcantara, and just a hint of gasoline. It's the smell of luxury, performance, and adventure all rolled into one. Audi has gone to great lengths to ensure that the RS3 smells as good as it drives. They've used only the finest materials, and they've even developed a special air freshener that captures the essence of the car. Okay, I made that last part up, but you get the idea. In conclusion, the RS3 is the ultimate driving machine, probably. It's fast, stylish, and sounds incredible. What more could you ask for? Okay, so maybe it's not perfect. The rear seats are a bit cramped, but you're not buying an RS3 for its practicality. You're buying it because it makes you feel alive. And that, my friends, is exactly what the RS3 delivers.